Morning all of you. Today we discuss the voice tense. Voice tense basically can be classified into two types, active voice and passive voice. Firstly, we know that what is the definition between active and passive voice and what is the difference between active voice and passive voice. Active voice definition is that when an action is done independently by an agent in a sentence is called the active voice. An action done independently is called active voice. Example is I read the Bhagavad Gita. Then secondly, the passive voice is just opposite of the active voice. When an action is done independently by an agent in a sentence is called the passive voice. Then done the independently, that is called the active voice, and not done independently, that is the passive voice. Example is I read Bhagavad Gita, that belongs to the active voice. When convert to passive, then the Bhagavad Gita is read. Today we discuss tense voice, then how to convert active and passive voice. Firstly, we know that tense can be classified into two types: present tense and past tense. And time can be classified into three types: present, past and future. And we also know that present tense and past tense carries two for forms. Then simple, progressive, perfect and perfect progressive. Every tense carries four forms: simple, progressive, perfect and perfect progressive. Now we discuss the tense wise and every form, how to convert active to passive. First of all, we discuss the present simple. Present simple. Present simple's active structure is that subject plus V1 plus object. Active structure. Then where is convert to passive, then object belongs to subject and subject belongs to object. So that object in this sentence, object plus is I plus V3 plus by plus subject. Active structure is that subject plus V1 plus object, whereas convert to active then passive, then object plus is I plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example wise, present simple is that the headmaster teaches English. The headmaster teaches English in active voice. When it convert to active to passive, then object belongs to subject and subject belongs to object. In this sentence, object here is that English, so that when convert active to passive, then object English is teach means third form, taught by the headmaster. That belongs to passive voice. This is only the declarative sentence, present simples and with a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence definition is that make a statement is called the declarative sentence. So the declarative sentence definition, example is the headmaster teaches English, then active to passive convert English is taught by the headmaster. Then we discuss the interrogative sentence. Present simple with interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence definition is that ask for questions. So interrogative sentence active structure is that do, does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Active structure. Interrogative present with the present simple active structure is that do, does plus subject plus V1 plus objective. Whereas convert to active to passive, then is am are plus object belongs to subject and subject belongs to object, so that object plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example was that the headmaster teaches English. That too belongs to only declarative sentence, whereas convert to interrogative sentence, then does the headmaster teach English? That belongs to active voice. Whereas convert to passive, then object belongs to subject, object that means the English, so that, and does means active passive structures. Interrogative structure is that is a man plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject, so that in the sentence is English taught by the headmaster. That belongs to the passive voice. That is only to present simple. Present simple discuss the declarative sentence, how to convert active to passive, and also discuss the interrogative sentence, how to convert active to passive. Then now discuss the present progressive. Present progressive definition is that which action is continue is called that progressive. Present progressive structure also in a active structure is that subject plus is MR plus main verb ing plus object. That is the active structure. Present progressive. Present progressive active structure is that subject is MR, main verb ing plus object. Whereas convert to active passive, then object belongs to subject and subject belongs to object, so that active passive structure is that object plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. So the present progressive active structure is that a subject plus is MR plus main verb ing plus object, whereas convert to active passive, then passive structure is that object plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example was that he is searching the truth. He is searching the truth. That belongs to the active voice. Where it convert active to passive, then passive voice we know that the subject belongs to object and object belongs to subject. In the sentence, the object is the truth, so that the truth in passive voice, the truth is being searched by, he will convert to him. It is only to declarative sentence. Present progressive with a declarative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the active structure is that interrogative sentence, that means the ask for questions. In interrogative sentence also how to convert active to passive. Then interrogative sentence active structure is that is are plus subject plus main verb ing plus object. Where is convert to active passive, then it is are plus object plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject. Example wise that declarative sentence convert to interrogative sentence. Declarative sentence is that he is searching the truth, whereas convert to interrogative sentence, then is he searching the truth. That belongs to the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence with the active voice. Whereas convert to passive, then is the truth. Is the truth being searched by him? Then to convert to active to passive. Active, in a active voice, the sentence is that is he searching the truth, whereas convert to active and active to passive, then is the truth being searched by him. That is the belongs to the present progressive. So that present progressive declarative sentence, that to active structure is that subject plus is plus main verb ing plus subject. Whereas convert to active passive, then object plus is plus being plus b3 plus by plus subject. Example wise that he is searching the truth, whereas convert to active to passive, then the truth is being searched by him. That belongs to the only declarative sentence. Then whereas convert into interrogative sentence, the same sentence should be done is he searching the truth. That belongs to the active voice. Whereas convert to passive, then is the truth being searched by him. Today we discuss only the present tense have two forms. Present tense two forms we should be discussed only to present simple and present progressive. In the next class we should discuss then another forms.